According to latest media reports, a newly inducted Apache helicopter of the Indian Air Force had to make an emergency landing earlier today. After flying for approximately an hour, a warning alert was indicated in its control panels, after which the captain of the helicopter took correct and prompt action to land the helicopter. A second Indian Air Force helicopter with a technical team arrived in few minutes, and the technical snag was rectified in about 25 minutes, after which both the helicopters flew away to their operating air base. The International Monetary Fund has slashed India's growth projection of the current fiscal year to 1.9%, but it has also projected that India's growth will be back to near 7% in 2022. But this still raises concern if India will be in a position to finalize big defense procurements like $20 billion 114 MMRCA fighter jets program and $7 billion Project 75I, as India will be making payments to many big-ticket purchases made in the past few years. According to a defense expert, the purchase of 40 Tejas Mark 1A and 36 additional Rafale will cost around $10 billion, and if 12 more Su-30 and 21 MiG-29 fighter jets order is included, the Indian Air Force will have 100 new fighter jets at their disposal for less than $15 billion. Even after the state governments have issued orders to allow aerospace and defense industries to continue manufacturing work, the absence of coordination between the center and state government is affecting the limited production, as only 10% of the employees have obtained travel pass from the state police forces. Meanwhile, the Indian companies are facing increased pressure for supplying aerospace components from global vendors such as Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Airbus as well as Bell Textron, as they source components from Indian manufacturers. Despite its economic challenges, Pakistan is working on a program for a tracked infantry fighting vehicle, which will be based on the M113 combat vehicle, and will be equipped with an unmanned turret. Pakistan has also upgraded the engine's fire control system and battle management system of around 600 T-59 Chinese origin tanks, and is also buying engines and other parts for its Chinese origin Type 99 tanks, and is also working on an upgraded Block II version of the Type 99. Both the classified and unclassified networks of the U.S. Department of Defense are facing an increase in attempted breaches and cyber intrusions, after the majority of Pentagon and service-centric operations were shifted online, for dealing with the current global situation. The U.S. Air Force Lieutenant General Bradford Schwedo has said that the U.S. cybersecurity officials have gained more insight into the origins of the attempted intrusions. The Prime Minister of Mauritius has thanked Prime Minister Modi for donating critical medical supplies to the country, which were delivered by a special Air India flight on the 15th of April. He also said that this mark of goodwill underscores the close bonds between Mauritius and India, and Mauritius is one of the first countries to receive supplies of this medicine, after India granted a special exemption for a few countries.
Omar dropped it.